Hey you guys, so today I'm going to share with you guys a sandwich that we made up a few years ago. So every year in October we have a small town festival in Mount Sterling, and it's called October Court Days. And so I started making this sandwich, and it sells all weekend long. I can hardly make them fast enough. And like I said, it's called a Hillbilly sandwich. And so here's where we're at on it. So I started out, I've got my, we're going to have fried taters and onions. You slice them both really thin. I don't peel my potatoes. I hardly ever peel them. So you're just going to fry these up till they get good and tender. See that? All that is fried taters and onions. And I don't know why, but whenever I'm like making mashed potatoes, I say potatoes. But now when you're frying taters, you say fried taters. But anyhow, give me a few minutes. I'll be back to put this together. All right, guys, I'm back. So our fried taters are done. And, okay, I've got our buns out. These are the sub buns. That's what they look like. They're really good and soft. So open them up. We've got our fried taters good and done. I'll put them on that bun. I'll have some of you all messaging me because you'll be wanting court day food. And I could just about tell you the names of the ones that will, and one of them starts with a B, and the last name will be a P. She's liable to be right over here tonight. Okay. Now, on that, so I already opened it and heated it. It's your Rico's cheese. Open a can of that. It is Rico's Premium Cheddar Cheese. There you go. Can you see that? We're going to put that right on top of our fried taters. This is my biggest seller at Court Day, you guys. Okay. Then, this is your pulled ham. Your pulled sweet ham. That'll be on the video before this. I cooked that all night long and then just shredded it. So, I should have called it Dr. Pepper ham because we put Dr. Pepper in it. Just spread that right on there with that. It's been 100 degrees probably here today, and my husband worked out in this, and he just got in, so he's going to get full and probably pass out. I'll tell you what, the heat out today, if you can work out in it, it separates the men from the boys. So here is what you got. Hillbilly sandwich. You know, a sandwich that is that messy is going to be delicious. There you go. Hope you guys have a good night, and I might see y'all at Court Day. Bye-bye.